Welcome to ReShoot 360 tutorials. Today, we will see the photo filter Mirror Planet. Before starting, select a 360 photo or a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset photo. Select the type of social network you target. For example, select the preset Instagram. Select the photo filter Mirror Planet. You see a preview of your final photo and you can modify some parameters of the filter. Each parameter can be modified with a slider and more precisely with buttons plus and minus. Mirror Edge parameter defines where the mirror starts in the Mirror Planet. Mirror Shift parameter allows to shift the mirror edge. Mirror Type parameter changes the type of mirror used. You can try the different options and see how it changes your photo. Rotation parameter changes the rotation applied on the Mirror Planet. Zoom parameter changes the zoom factor of the Mirror Planet. Now, you can export the final photo by using the button in the top right corner. Your photo is saved on your device in the album ReShoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 content in the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.